Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In a previous tutorial, we have learned about if statement, and this tutorial is about if-else statement. So if you have some basic knowledge on if statement, then that will help you to learn if-else statement. In a if statement, there is a condition, and if that condition is true, then some code is executed. If that condition is false, then nothing happen. And if else statement is also our case if statement for a true condition, but for false condition where the if statement do nothing. In the same case, if else statement can run another code. Okay, first start with if statement. If condition run this code. We know that at first if statement check condition. If the condition is true, then the code inside a curly bracket is executed. Now make some variables. Where x equal to 20, y equal to 10, and give a condition like x equal to y. And remember, while making a comparison, we have to use two equal sign but not to use single equal sign, because on JavaScript we use single equal sign while assigning a value on a variable. Now write document dot write that's true. Here this if statement says that if 20 equal to 10 is true, then print that's true. If not, do nothing. And nothing happen because we know that 20 does not equal to 10. So instead of doing nothing in false condition, we can use else statement to do something. Just we have to write else after if statement. Now copy this and paste it here. Then write that's wrong. Now if we run this code, we got that's wrong. And again 20 equal to 10 is a false condition, and in if else statement all the false condition goes to else statement, and in else statement there is that's wrong, so it print that's wrong. Now let's see what happens if x is greater than y. We got that's true, because we know that 20 is greater than 10 is a true condition, so that it print the code from if. In the same way, now test for less than, and we got that's wrong, because 20 is lesser than 10 is a false condition, so that it execute the code from else. And again, if the condition is true, then the code from if will execute. If the condition is false, then the code from else will execute. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.